Today in things we're gonna make and probably not even let you see on the camera, a pumpkin pudding. My sous chef is going for a break. Show us your boobs. Number 1 is pumpkin puree. Number 2 is coconut milk.
Almond butter, ground cinnamon, maca powder,
which apparently is a hormone regulator.
Chia seed,
and a banana. All you have to do is put the stuff in a blender. I'm just gonna put it in here. And then you have to turn the blender on. But as with everything else, it's all about proportions. Or is it portions? Is it proportions or portions? Quantities. It's about how much you put in of everything, basically. And also about the, I can totally see myself trying to find the word order. Trying to figure out the order things go in. And also about how you prioritize what you put in. Like, does the pumpkin go in first or the coconut milk go in first? I'll just answer that for you and say it's the coconut milk. So, step 1 is open your can of coconut puree. Didn't I say coconut goes in first? I'll just answer that for you and say it's the coconut milk. And then I pulled out a can of pumpkin. Open your can of coconut puree. There it is. There's the whole can of pumpkin puree. Into the blender it goes. That was more challenging than I thought it was gonna be. A tablespoon of almond butter. Now we'll add a banana. I think we should also add a date. I found a date, 1 medjool date, although you could add more if you want. It really depends on how sweet you want it to be. Maybe you want to have 3 dates in your pudding. I had 3 dates this weekend. The proof is in the pudding. Missed opportunity, Leandra. A tablespoon of chia seeds. Let's add 1 more. Look at the way in which the rest of these are sticking. Do you think I should have my mouth removed and have it replaced with the inside of this tablespoon full of chia seeds? And might finally force me to shut the hell up. We're gonna add some maca powder. Oh shoot, I just put my tea tablespoon in the sink. Anyway, I'm gonna add a tablespoon of maca also. What is that smell? Oh, it's the maca. I'm not adding a tablespoon of maca. I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon. That's enough. After the maca, we add the can of coconut milk. I'm not exactly sure if you're supposed to put the meat that's on the top in, but I'm doing it. And for my final trick, the kosher for Passover cinnamon. I don't really know how much, as much as your guts tell you to put in. And that's it, that's the whole thing. Now all we've got to do is blend it. Blender, blender, you're so tender. It's a song I made up, what do you think? By the way, I changed because you know I'm about to exercise my fingertips with the blender, and also what comes out is going to be the greatest power move of all time, a freaking pumpkin mousse. See you soon. That's it, I think we did it. Is this how most people taste their own recipes? I think it needs another banana. You have no shame. Yeah, this is gonna be pretty good. Hi! And now it's perfect. Dressing it with walnuts. Voila! How'd I do? Does anyone wanna try my pudding? You wanna try the pudding?
Yeah.
What do you think, Madeline?
I see. It's good.
Not too sweet. Tastes healthy. It's a very good consistency and texture. Delicious pudding.
That tastes good.